Direct-to-consumer businesses traditionally rely on distribution, wholesale and retail partners to get their products to market. In a digital world, these businesses face a whole set of new challenges. A diminishing footfall from traditional physical retailers, customers expecting to buy directly from a brand no matter what they sell, and the inability to deliver the customer experience digitally savvy shoppers expect. What can be done to overcome these challenges? The key is to select the right e-commerce integration partner and strive to reach end-user markets directly. However, most e-commerce projects often begin by choosing a technology platform and then working to fit the technology into the business. To ensure success, here are the 5 essential tips on delivering an e-commerce project. 1. Get buy-in from the C-suite. Get your executive leadership on board and go beyond just attaining sponsorship of the project. They need to be setting clear business objectives and actively monitoring the project's success against these goals. 2. Have clear objectives. So often, projects start and quickly go off track. Therefore, from the outset, nail down why the business is doing the project and how it's going to help the bottom line. This will stop you losing sight of the original objectives as the project moves forward. 3. Set hard metrics. Don't get fixated on project tasks, meeting milestones or delivery dates. These are not the metrics that show the project delivering growth. Abandoned carts and page loading times are just some of the metrics that need to be monitored to achieve project success. 4. Choose a technology vendor. Now you're ready to choose a technology platform. The platform needs to be well featured, well supported by built-in apps, and have a solid security architecture that can adapt to changes to the security threat landscape. 5. Ensure technology flexibility. It's important that the technology platform integrates easily with other systems and services. This will enable you to take advantage of other selling channels like marketplaces and social selling channels, and provides flexibility to adapt to changing customer demands. The conclusion. Many brands are struggling to implement an efficient system to go directly to consumers and deliver a superior customer experience. However, by following these 5 simple steps, businesses can look to reach their end-user markets themselves, regain control of their end customers, and successfully move their business forward.